Metal roofs used to be for barns and warehouses, but standing seam metal roofs, that's a whole different level. They're sleek, they're durable, and they're becoming super popular on homes. But are they worth it? Hi, I'm David with Shepherd Metal Roofing, and today we're breaking down the real pros and cons of standing seam metal roofing in simple non-roofer language. All right, let's start with the basics. A standing seam metal roof is made of long panels that lock together at raised seams. These seams stand up vertically, which gives the roof its signature look, and all the fasteners are hidden underneath. No exposed screws. That means fewer chances for leaks and better long-term performance. So what are the pros? Number one, longevity. A properly installed standing seam metal roof can last 40 to 70 years. Compare that to shingles, which usually need to be replaced every 15 to 25 years. Number two, durability. These roofs are excellent at resisting wind, hail, and heavy rain, and even fire. In fact, in some areas, your insurance provider may offer a discount for having a metal roof. Number three, energy efficiency. Because of the way it reflects sunlight, a standing seam roof can help keep your attic cooler, reduce the load on your HVAC system, and save you money on your energy bill. Number four, curb appeal. Let's be honest, these roofs just look good. They're for sure one of my favorite looking roofs. They give your home a modern, upscale vibe that stands out. Now, the cons. Number one, cost. Standing seam roofs cost more up front. In many cases, 2 to 3 times more than shingles. But if you plan to stay in your home long term, the cost pays off over time. Number two, not DIY friendly. This isn't something you can throw on over a weekend with a few buddies and a nail gun. It really takes specialized equipment and experienced installers to get it right. A shingle roof typically takes about 1 or 2 days to install, whereas a metal roof takes about a week to install in the same house. Number three, not the best for walking. These panels are slick when wet, and walking on them can damage the seams. If you like hanging Christmas lights or adjusting a satellite dish, it's not as easy to access as a shingle roof, although they do make roof boots with magnets on the bottom to help. So is it worth it? If you're planning to live in your home for years to come, if you want the best protection from wind, hail, and fire, and if you're looking for low maintenance and high-end aesthetics, then yes, standing seam metal is absolutely worth it. Otherwise, you're better saving your money. Also, keep in mind, more and more insurance companies are adding what's called a cosmetic exclusion to policies, which means if you get a hailstorm and your metal roof looks completely dented, it will not be covered since that is deemed cosmetic damage. So you may be stuck with a 50-year-old metal roof with a custom golf ball texture. So that's my pros and cons for standing seam metal roofing. If you found this helpful, give us a like, comment with your questions, and hit that subscribe button. And if you're thinking about upgrading to a standing seam metal roof, give us a call at Shepherd Metal Roofing. We'd be happy to give you a free estimate. Thanks for watching.